In this video, I'll guide you on how to easily enable two-step verification for your WhatsApp account. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app. Next, go to the settings by typing on the gear icon. From there, select Account, where you will find the option for two-step verification. Tap on that. On the next screen, you will be prompted to create a PIN for added security. To continue, tap Turn On. You will need to enter a 6-digit PIN that you can easily remember. For demonstration purposes, I will use eSPIN code, but I recommend choosing a less obvious PIN to enhance your security. After entering your PIN, confirm it. You will then be taken to a page asking for your email address. While two-step verification is now enabled, I highly recommend adding your email to your account. This way you can regain access in case you forgot your PIN. To add your email, tap here and enter your email address. Then tap Next to proceed. WhatsApp will send a 6-digit confirmation code to the email you provided. Check your email and you should see a message from WhatsApp with the code. Now enter that code back in WhatsApp and tap Verify. After that, you will return to the previous screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching.